Hey, it's Ed here, and today we're taking a look at technical analysis for gold. We'll go over some key levels of support and resistance and cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory. Let's get going. So first, let's plot down some weekly, daily and monthly closes, some support and resistance areas, a volume profile and a Fibonacci retracement from these lows to the current highs that we have here. What we can see that we basically just front run this point of control here. We did wick through this monthly as well, where we had loads of support and again just below the golden pocket, and now at least some strength, giving us a really nice daily candle here yesterday. Now again, this whole area is with really high volume, so wherever you're going to place the point of control at a certain date is most likely going to be changing. Let's check out it just yesterday or 2 days ago. It was basically at the same spot, but again, really high volume area node. Now a really good support as well, this monthly here. Above or below we got another monthly here around 1770, which is going to be another good support. Range value area low just below that around 1764. Not too much else there. Of course we can get some order blocks here, but we'll see what is going to happen. Above us, let's take some fibs here as well for some resistance, and let me close this one here. For current resistance, if we are just going to shoot up with the price right now, we can have a daily with a 38.2 retracement, golden pocket with a daily and a weekly. Definitely going to be some interest here. On the 50% retracement, we do have the larger time frame range value area high, again around 1920. Going to be nice resistance as well. Looking for shorts all these areas, if the counts, Elliott Wave counts, are supporting it as well, of course. But that's basically these basic levels that I wanted to share. The only extra thing here I want to show is this current parallel channel. Again, this is best fit. Let's go to a smaller time frame to see it. Best fit channel around the current highs and lows. Not even properly placed, because this actually made a new lower low here. I had it previously something like this. We can still have it like that. We just wicked through it here on the support. Currently back testing the median line or midpoint of this channel, seeing if we can hold that for support for another push up. Closing these now, and let's get into the Elliott Wave stuff. So again, higher time frame, we were looking for a possible wave 4 correction ending the wave 3 up here. We had a few different options. This one here was saying that we had a wave 4 down here, and after that point we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 1 of intermediate, looking for wave 2 downwards. Last time I was playing a long position off of these lows. We had a nice 5-wave structure, 5-wave-ish looking structure, turned out not to be. On the pullback here, got stopped out on that one as price went below the lower wick here. Since then, of course, we've had lower prices, quite a bit lower prices, but still this bullish count is still alive. We can stretch these out as we need. I'm going to show you the possibilities on that soon. Now this other more bullish count got invalidated, at least somewhat. We had a 1 here of minor into 2 here, and this was already ending here, so again primary or intermediate 1, 2, and we got way beyond this one here. So I'm going to just remove this completely. There's no point having this one here. That leaves us an option where there we go, where wave 4 is not done. So overall we are looking for something like this, where we have some kind of A or W, B or X into C or Y. Now I have a couple of different ideas for that. So again, this can be either of these, as the B wave got above the required 85% retracement. So currently we are looking for some kind of structure here. That would be, if we are playing the B wave here, we would be looking for 5-way structure here. If we are getting a 3-way structure here and the price just goes up at this point, as this looks like a 3-way structure at the moment, and if it goes like this, then we're looking for the X or playing the X structure here, or not the X structure, the 3-way structure that we need to come off of here into here for the Y wave. Hopefully that was really badly explained, but you should understand the point. If we are playing the B wave, we are looking for 5-way structure here, like so. Okay, so let's take a look. This is playing the B wave, the WXY correction, saying that we're looking for, again, ABC downwards. The targets for this we already met quite a bit. We went above, or just to the 1.236 extension here, which is definitely quite a bit normal. Now if the price still comes down and gets to the 1.618 here at around 1732, then we should be looking for some other counts, as this extension is more like a 3-wave or the 3rd wave or something, and rather than the wave C. Let me close this. At that point, if it goes down here to the 1.618, we would be looking at something like this as an impulse wave structure. Now I had this a bit differently last time when I looked at gold. Now I've modified it a bit. So there is a possibility to have this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into 1 here. I think we had it here, ending something here, so a 5-way structure here. It is definitely possible that way as well, but either of these are possible. Of course, if we are placing the 1, 2 here of this minuet count, then this would be more bearish, as we would be expecting lower targets for the wave 3 here. Currently looks to me pretty good as a nested pattern. The wave 2 of course can be like so as well, having a running flat, but that again is really rare and again really bearish. Now that wouldn't make too much of a difference on the targets here for the wave. Let's see, we do have it here. For the wave 3, 1.618 would be around 1718 instead of the 1726 or 32. But yeah, those are basically the options currently. Let's take a closer look what we have here on the shorter time frame. Again, we did make some kind of bottom here. We can see some nice divergence here and getting this pullback now. Now, when do I get bullish on this one? Well, at last I would get bullish here when the price gets beyond here. So if we are thinking the wave 1 here, we are thinking this whole structure as the 5-way structure. So wave 4 would be this structure here. So when the price gets above that, possibly some kind of backtest, and then we can look for higher prices. Whether it goes through it again and finds support around these areas here, then that would again be more bullish here. Downwards, I'm looking for again one more low for the third wave of this minuet count, just because we didn't get to the 1.618 of this move yet. Yeah, that is basically it. There's not much to talk about in gold. I'm looking for shorts for sure. Even on this current pullback, this looks kind of bearish. If I can catch some good structure here on the pullback, I can have a setup where I have a, not like that, come on, something like this and a pullback, and then I would have a short setup here with a great risk to reward, even if we are just playing for the fifth wave here, of the third wave here. We still have good chance of getting downwards. Of course, we would need to be looking for divergence on this short time frame to confirm that this move is over here. Same with this one. This to me looks a bit weird here. This structure, it almost reminds of a five-way structure here. So the wave 4 could be actually something else, and not just this move here. Just comparing it to the possible second wave here, whether it is like this or not, it is quite a bit different looking. If this indeed is 5 waves, we would be looking for this to go something like this. But again, it can't go to here around $18.50, because then it would invalidate this count. Of course, still we could be bearish afterwards, but then we would need to look into this count a bit more. Most likely we would need to say that this is 1 and 2, and create some kind of structure here where the wave 4 wouldn't invalidate other structures. So most likely 1, 2 here, and extended third. But yeah, I think that's all I want to share on gold today. Let me know if you have another count, especially short term. If you have another coin you would like me to analyze as well, or have an update for, let me know on the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.